That is insane. I can't believe that. Wow. That was really good. Look better than they did before. Not as big.
Yeah.
It looked good. Wow. I searched for a good 2 years, right? Of looking and you know, how am I going to afford it, and figuring out all the financing, because it's expensive, right? It's a significant buy, probably your most significant buy outside of your house, right? Unless you drive a really fancy car. But it's worth it, right? It's worth it for just the monkey off my back, just the feeling that I don't have to wake up every morning of like thinking about it one way or another, whether it's I'm in pain, whether I look in the mirror and I don't like the way I look at it, whether it's I can't eat what I want, whether it's it affects your life in many ways, but it's a monkey off your back. That's probably the most significant and the most beneficial thing I think is just that I feel from it.